You've probably heard people saying without the new tax ID, you can't use your bank account. But is that actually true? Not exactly. Here's what's happening. The government is introducing a single tax identification system to make it easier to track taxes. So what is a tax identification number or tax ID? It is a unique number that identifies you in Nigeria's tax system. From January 2026, you will need it to carry out certain financial transactions, such as using your bank accounts, insurance, pension, or even investment accounts. But here's the good news. Not everyone needs it. You only need it if you're a taxable person. So this means that if you earn money from business, trade, or work. If you don't earn money, for example, students, retirees, or unemployed people, you're not required to get one. It doesn't mean every Nigerian will suddenly be locked out of their account. Before now, different offices gave out different EINs. Federal Inland Revenue Service (FIRS), Joint Tax Board (JTB), State Internal Revenue Service (State IRS). Now, all of them have been merged into one single system. It is about making the system more organized, one ID that works everywhere instead of multiple numbers and confusion. For individuals, your National Identification Number (NIN) will be used to process your tax ID. For companies, your Corporate Affairs Commission (CAC) registration number will be used. If you already have a TIN, it's still valid. There's no need to register again, but if you don't, you can easily get one for free at the Joint Tax Board website or at any Federal Inland Revenue Service office. No biometrics, no stress, no need to pay anybody. For Nigerians living abroad, your NIN could still work as your tax ID, so you will not lose access to your accounts. And for foreign companies doing business in Nigeria, a tax ID is now mandatory. Why is the government doing this? They say it will block fraud, reduce tax evasion, and make the system fairer. People who earn money will pay their share, while people who don't earn will not be taxed. But a lot of people are still saying, I beg, let the poor breathe. What do you think? Will this new rule actually help Nigeria's economy or just add more stress to our daily lives? Follow Africa Tech Radio for more.